Hi, I've got a BMW 1 Series and a BMW 4 Series. That's the F20 model and the F30 model. In the back we have a complementary screwdriver. Now, originally I thought that the screwdriver just maybe to help you maybe change the battery in maybe a kid's toy or something, you know, on a long journey when they might get a bit upset. You just want to keep them occupied. But looking at the screwdriver, and I found that underneath there's like a hexagonal bit. And then on this side there's also another hexagonal bit and a little hole there. Oops, there you can maybe put that in like that, and it actually turned into like a spanner. And so why did BMW have this? And I discovered that this is what it's for. So if you need to change your rear light bulb, you put that in like that onto the nut, and away you go. Just turn it and you can take your unit out and change your bulb. That's my BMW screwdriver trick. I'm sure it's in the BMW manual, but you don't always read these things. Thank you.